Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to share this video with you. It's about quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is used to find the roots or the x-intercepts. Quadratic formula, okay? When you cannot factorizing, we need to use the quadratic formula, okay? In the quadratic formula, as you can see, we have three components. Actually, when you have this kind of equation, this form of the equation, abx squared plus bx plus c, and you have components for a, for b, and for c, we can use the formula we have above, this formula, yeah, in order to find the roots or the values for the x. Therefore, you have an x here because we are going to find the roots, okay, or the x-intercepts. How to apply this formula? For example, I'm going to write an equation as an example, and the equation is 3x squared plus 5x minus 8, okay? In this one, we need to find the values for x by using the formula. Therefore, I'm going to take the formula again. I will take the formula, okay? And the formula is minus x equal minus b plus or minus. In this part, plus or minus is because you will have to do the expression by using in one plus, in the other minus, okay? Plus minus square root of b squared minus 4a plus c, 4 times a times c, all of this divided by 2 times a, okay? It is the quadratic formula. Now identify the different components. It is a, only taking the coefficients, okay? It is b, and this is c, okay? Now replace the values in the formula. That means x equal minus, what is the value for b? 5 plus minus a square root of 5 squared minus 4 times the value for a. The value for a is 3 times the value for c, and the value for c is minus 8, okay? All of this over 2 times a, that is 3, okay? Now, the idea is first do the operations you have in the brackets. Therefore, x equal minus 5 plus minus a square root of 5 to the power of 2 is 25 minus, well, in this minus, we are going to do the operation. Which operation? This operation I am pointing out right now, okay? Minus 4 times 3 is minus 12. Minus 12 times minus 8 is 96. But minus and minus is plus. Therefore, the answer is plus 96. Okay? And then this over 6, that is 2 times 3, okay? In this sense, we already have common whole numbers. The idea is now do the square, minus 5 plus minus a square root of what? And we need to do the operation between those numbers. 25 plus 96 is equal to 121 over 6, okay? Okay, when you reach this point, we have two options, okay? Two options. We need to do this expression, I am circular with plus. That means x equal minus 5 plus a square root of 121 over 6. And now we will have to do another expression with a minus. That is x equal minus 5 minus square root of 121 divided by 6, okay? If you see, we're going to get two values for x. Now, after doing this, we will have x equal square root of 121 is 11. Therefore, the answer is minus 5 plus 11 over 6. And in this case, the answer is going to be x equal minus 5 minus 11 over 6. Finally, we are going to finish this operation. And one value for x, I'm going to write x1 is equal to minus 5 plus 11 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. That is the first x. And minus 5 minus 11 is minus 16. x2 equal minus 16 over 6. And after simplifying the fraction, is going to be x equal, it can be divided by 2. That is 8 over 3. Okay, and that is the second value. That is the second value of the x. We have two values for x, two values for x. Okay, after doing this, we can check this by using the application Desmos. Therefore, the idea we need to get those points. Those points are the x-intercepts. Okay, it's the same answer when you factorize, but in case you cannot factorize, you can use the quadratic formula. We're going to check this expression, the x-intercept of this expression in Desmos, okay? We're going to use Desmos. Let me open Desmos. Okay, in Desmos we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 8. Yes? And if you see the points we have, in one point is one the answer, as we did before. One of the answer is 1, this one that we have here. And the second answer is a fraction or a decimal. And we have this decimal in the graph. That is the point minus 2.667, okay? Okay, guys, in this case, you can find the x-intercepts by using the quadratic formula, okay? For this one, I'm going to let you an example for an exercise in case you want to practice this topic, okay? You will have this, and then the idea is finding the x values using the quadratic formula, okay? This is the quadratic formula. Okay, have a nice day, guys. Thank you.